Hi friends, welcome to Social Studies Today with Ms. Shin. Today we're going to continue to talk about Topeka, Kansas. But first, let's go over our learning intentions. We are learning to identify and locate historical sites within Topeka so that we can recognize important sites in Topeka when we see them. We will be successful when we can identify important sites in our community and recognize how they have changed over time. I am going to show you two videos, one of Topeka in the past and two of our current Topeka. So while you're watching both of these videos, I want you to think, how has our community changed over time? So here is our video of Topeka in the past. The early years. I already see lots of changes. There's a horse on the street. We see horses sometimes, but not a lot on our streets. Kansas Avenue. That looks really different. This is in the year 1876. Lots of horses and carriages. And look at that street. There's no concrete. Lots of men on the bridge. I wonder what they're doing there. Maybe taking a break from work? Mm. So this picture was taken in 1869. Kansas State Journal. That sounds like where they wrote newspapers. Grocery. I see a theater. Hmm. Looks like they're building something and adding on to it. I wonder what building this is. Well, this photo was taken in 1881. Still adding on to it. Hmm. This building is starting to look very familiar. Do you guys recognize it? Hmm. It's our Kansas State Capitol building located in downtown Topeka. Wow, so okay. So that was our video of the past. Now I'm going to start our video of current Topeka. Let's see if we can see that Capitol building. Oh, there it is. Do you see it? This video looks a lot different from the first one. I see lots of cars. I don't think I saw too many cars in the first video. And the roads, they're paved, not dirt. I see lots more buildings. Hmm. You know what else I see? I see street lights. I don't think I saw street lights in the first video. But there's that Capitol building still standing. Okay, so I am going to stop this video right here, and we are going to think about that question that I asked at the beginning of both videos. How has our community changed over time? I'm going to give you a few seconds to think about that. So I hope you thought about the roads and the buildings and how people got around. Those are some of the things that I saw and I noticed when I watched the videos. In today's lesson, you need to know a very important vocabulary word, which is Venn diagram. A Venn diagram is a visual tool that shows the relationship between a set of things. So we are going to be comparing and contrasting Topeka then versus Topeka now. We're going to think about some of the things we saw that were different and some of the things that we saw that were alike. And you are going to use a Venn diagram to explain those differences and those similarities that we've seen between then and now. So let's review our learning intentions first. We are learning to identify and locate historical sites within Topeka. We did that so that we can recognize important sites in Topeka when we see them. And I'm pretty sure if any of you go to downtown Topeka, you all are going to be able to point out that Kansas State Capitol. We will be successful when we can identify important sites in our community and recognize that how they've changed over time. So remember, in today's lesson, we're going to use this Venn diagram. You're going to tell me one thing about Topeka then that was different from Topeka now, and one thing about Topeka now that was different from then, and something that was alike in Topeka then and now. And you're going to put that right there in that middle part. Okay. Well, friends, thanks for joining me for social studies today. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.